Effective project management, key steps. Understanding the project, define the objectives, requirements, and goals. Assess the risks, and develop ways to address them, as well as decide what resources are necessary to carry your project through to its logical end. Analyze the content. At this stage, you may request your copy editor to evaluate the manuscript's grammatical structure and language use. Additionally, take into account the format and digital mix, analyzing the multimedia and features needed to produce a digital version. Hold a meeting to kick off the project initially. This meeting will aid in bringing all parties involved into alignment with the project's objectives. Inform each team member of their responsibilities and the tasks they must complete. Share the prepared briefs with them, so they are aware of their responsibilities and obligations. Formalize your work definition document. The project's goals, objectives, and who is responsible for each task should all be explicitly stated in this document. Define the processes beforehand as well, so the team members are aware of what is expected of them. Develop a workflow and plan. This is yet another essential element for effective project management, because it guarantees that work is completed on time and within budget. All team members can use this document as a reference guide to complete their tasks. Scheduling. To ensure that each task in the project is completed on time, create an effective time-bound timetable with key dates and events. Effective communication. Arrange frequent meetings to make sure that the editorial process is moving forward and that each member is reaching their deadlines. Effective communication will enable you to foresee issues and prevent any delays in project completion caused by miscommunication. Progress reports. The administration of editorial projects requires ongoing tracking. Follow each member's development and output. Request status updates and note any discrepancies between the anticipated and actual timeline, scope, and cost. Be adaptable and change the plan as necessary. Gathering real-time data. This is the best technique to ensure that everything is taken into consideration. In the event that something goes wrong, finding the problem's root cause and fixing it will be simpler, if this happens as a result of ongoing checks during the project, rather than at the very end. Additionally, with everything recorded as you go along, you will have all the information required for useful insights and improved decision-making. Control the project's scope. In the event that the project's scope needs to be altered, make sure the project sponsor has given his or her approval, because this will have a direct effect on the timeline and cost. Keep in mind that the project's budget and deadline may both be affected by additional activities. Manage the team. Based on the task needs, match skills and assemble a strong team to give the project shape. Make thorough briefs and distribute them to each team member. Using independent contractors may also be necessary. Budgeting. Establish the project's costs and evaluate its viability. Make a backup plan while staying within your budget. Read the warning signs and act on them. Keep an eye out for any warning signs that might affect the delivery timetable or the caliber of the deliverables.